IELTS Speaking Part 2. Cue Card. A comprehensive step-by-step guide on creating a cue card to achieve a high score in IELTS targeting band 8 to 9. Cue card topic. Describe a memorable holiday you spent with your family. You should say where you went, who you went with, what you did during the holiday, why it was memorable, and explain how this holiday experience impacted your family. Memorable holiday. Where you went, Thailand. Who you went with, family. What you did, explored vibrant markets and temples. Indulged in delicious street food. Explored the beauty of Thai. Experienced Thai cultural performances. Why it was memorable, rich cultural experiences. Stunning natural landscapes. Quality time spent with family. I will share our amazing summer vacation experience, an unforgettable and memorable holiday memory in my life. Last summer, I decided to visit Thailand with my family. My mom, dad, brother, and sister, for the summer break. It was truly one of my most cherished experiences. We had a fantastic time exploring Bangkok's lively streets, vibrant markets, and temples, immersing ourselves in Thailand's rich culture. We savored delicious street food, admired the charm of the markets, and enjoyed peaceful moments on Thailand's stunning islands and beaches. Our trip lasted a week. The most thrilling part of our vacation was spending time on the beaches, with their crystal-clear waters and soft sand. We participated in enjoyable activities like snorkeling, swimming, and sunbathing. Each evening, we were treated to breathtaking sunsets, painting the sky in vivid colors. We immersed ourselves in Thailand's vibrant culture by experiencing traditional performances. Witnessing the graceful dances and learning about the country's heritage was truly mesmerizing. Above all, what truly made the journey special was the quality time spent together as a family. We shared laughter, made discoveries, and created enduring memories. Thailand has truly captured our hearts, and the memories of our unforgettable trip will always be treasured. Consult for professional tutoring services. WhatsApp +8360555364. Guaranteed success rate.
Kindly like, share, and watch all of my IELTS preparation videos to help you achieve a higher score. Please consider subscribing to my channel as well.